Hi guys. Today I'm making a video. I got this gun, but I'm not showing you. I got this. I made this at school. I did say first that.
What does it say, Jayden?
Saying.
Jayden, nice. Who's that? Is that you?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my name.
Okay, so what's the purpose of this video? What are you gonna show your fans,
This is
watchers?
the good part.
Okay. Nice.
You can push this for reload, and you can aim here and fire. And this is flashlight. It doesn't work.
What about without the silencer? What if you take off that piece?
This is a fun noise, but I like this fun noise. I like that.
Oh, that sounds louder.
That's why I like it with this on it, because it shows us more good. I was liking it like that, but not anymore. I like it with this now. What?
Nice. And so for someone who wants this toy, where do they get it?
Me?
Where
But at Walmart.
Okay, Walmart. Okay.
So make sure you buy my video. I know this is a fit one. Buy my video. Is at Walmart. At Walmart.com.
Okay. And what do you want to tell your fans? We're gonna cut this video short now. We're gonna finish.
Make sure you give us a huge thumb up.
Okay.
Subscribe to my channel, White Up Year. Bye.